up on today's episode of Technoid. I am going to spend a full episode dedicated on the newly announced Soundcore Life Q30s. I'm going to explain the breakdown of what Soundcore announced, how you can pre-order yours, get your headphones, and why I'm actually really excited for these and why it'll probably be a redeeming headphone from my last review, the Life Q10s. Also on today's episode, not really a news story, but I have had just about enough of Forbes and their clickbaiting crap, and I'm here to call them out on it, and I'm going to do it in fashion. So you're not going to want to miss that. All of that on today's episode, so stay tuned. What's happening, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe. I'm doing all right. As you know me, never better. And in today's episode, as I said, I'm going to take a full episode, or at least a duration of this episode, and I'm going to focus on the Soundcore Life Q30s, a brand new over-ear headphones that, yes, I have reserved. I am pre-ordering them, and I will review them because I'm going to explain why I'm excited for these headphones and why I really think that this actually might be the headphones I was looking for from Soundcore. But all on that in a sec. Now listen, if you're watching this, disclaimer number one, this is not a review, this is a reaction and thoughts and breakdown. The review will come later on. Number two, if you are new to the channel and you like what I do, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you do not miss when I upload. And to returning subscribers, thank you as always. Now we got those out of the way, let's get it going. So the first and only story, the main story, is the Soundcore Life Q30s. Now, way back, I did a review on the Soundcore Life Q10s, and to say the least, a lot of people were kind of mixed on it. Some people agreed, a lot of the Soundcore fanboys disagreed, and a lot of people told me I was lying. Well, regardless of that, I just was disappointed in the headphones. I didn't think they were bad headphones, but I felt like they could have been a lot better. And of course, a lot of people argue with me saying, oh, but it's only 40 bucks. Well, for only 40 bucks, I could probably find another headphone that's just as good. And I did, by the way, but I didn't get a chance to review it. But that's not the point. I was disappointed. I thought these were going to be better than what I thought, mostly because of overhyped on YouTube by two particular YouTubers in general. We're not going to name names here, but they're mostly on Soundcore's website. I'm just playing. But in all seriousness, in all realistic seriousness, I was looking forward to them. And while they did deliver to some aspect, I wasn't really pleased. They did, however, release a newer model. They didn't release it earlier, but they did have another model, the Life Q20s, which has noise canceling, and I heard the sound quality is significantly better. But again, I didn't get time to review it, so yeah, I missed out. But it looks like Soundcore is going back to form, as they have not only been listening, but it looks like they're prepared to release a brand new over-ear headphone that will not only be better in their claims than the Q10s and the Q20s, but it will be a next generation of noise canceling headphones that you have never seen before. At least that's what all the fans are saying. So on the website, the Life Q30s were announced. They were announced a few days ago, but not a lot of people are talking about them, so I wanted to kind of get the hype going. I'm not here to overhype, I'm just here to give the reaction. I'll give you the news, and then I'll give my opinion. So taking a look at the website, the Q30s are going to be, once again, a brand new pair of noise canceling headphones. Now, according to Soundcore, they will have upgraded noise canceling with multiple modes, which I will discuss. They will have high-res certified audio with remarkable clarity and more detail. That is something I'm really looking forward to. I really hope that they nail that. Also, it will have extended 40 hours of playtime. That is incredible, 40 hours, and it will have 60 hours with no ANC. That is ridiculous, that's excellent. Also, it has a lighter build and is more comfortable fit. The promotional image is slightly hiding it, but then again, you can already kind of see what it's going to look like. It kind of looks a little bit like the Sony's, but I don't want to go and guess right away, so I'm going to wait till they come out, or at least when images get leaked, or hell, when somebody reviews them early in advance, because that's what they do. But taking a look further, it will have 3 different modes of ANC, so you can tune out for example, outdoor mode, where you can explore from outdoor range. You will have indoor mode, which will reduce the sound of busy rooms and talking, etc. That's actually really kind of, in my opinion, that's actually kind of impressive. And it will also have a transparent mode to reduce the roars or the roar. And also, in terms of transparency, it will have a transparency mode, so that way you can hear other people talk. That is a major positive. It is rocking 40mm dual drivers, and there's some shenanigans about the driver as well. It has 2 microphones, and taking a look at the comparatives, there are a lot of cool things about this headphone that are compared to the competition, but taking a look at its chart alone, it has Bluetooth 5, it has digital hybrid ANC with multi-mode noise cancellation. It has transparency mode, which is something I'm really looking forward to try out. It will be using 40 millimeters, some kind of silk diaphragm drivers. I've never heard of that, so who knows how that works. It will have high-res sound, like I said before. It will have NFC. That is something that I truly enjoy about headphones, and I cannot believe that Soundcore is putting them in these headphones, so good job on that part. But mostly the best thing also, it will be finally supported with an app, and it will have USB-C. Now the price is not available as they are kind of hiding that. They want a surprise, but I have a kind of a simulous feeling that it's probably going to be around $100, $120, which is relatively pretty good for mid-size headphones. Now, on the website, you can reserve your pre-order pass. So if you go on the website, you want to pre-order these, you just purchase it for $1 and it will give you a pre-order access. They will send you a code that will allow you to pre-order from the 20th to the 30th. And by doing so, you will also receive 30% off. Now, I myself have signed up for that, so I am definitely going to do that. But honestly, looking at the headphones and seeing what Soundcore is creating about, I am really excited. Not because of what they sound, but because this sounds like the perfect headphone. Now, of course, nothing is perfect, but if Soundcore can deliver on this, I really think that this will be a bargain because I truly am behind Soundcore. They have amazing products, from the Liberty Air 2 to the Liberty 2 Pros, their speakers, which I bought 4 Flare 2s, people, 4. That's how much I like them. But I was really disappointed with the Life Q10s, and even though they're made for a certain demographic, I really thought they would have worked on the noise and especially on the sound quality, but it seems like that's what they're going to address. I really do hope the sound quality is great this time around. I'm not a big bass heavy fan, I'm not all about mudded bass, so I'm really looking forward, and I hope that they have cleared this up, and I really do hope Soundcore gets this right. I'm also really excited that they're going to be finally having an over-ear headphone with app support. Thank the Lord, finally, it's about time, and transparency mode. I'm not bashing, I'm just happy. I'm really excited. So now we can finally see what Soundcore has up their sleeves. The whole gimmick with Soundcore is high quality sound for fraction of the cost. That's kind of the logo. And they really do deliver. They have great sounding headphones. Like I said, the Liberty Air 2 and the Liberty 2 Pros. So I am super excited for these headphones. I am so going to buy these, and I will review them because I really want to get on board with a pair of over-ears from Soundcore. I've used their in-ear headphones, and I'm probably going to buy another pair because I really do enjoy them, but I seriously cannot wait to see what they bring. So that's the Soundcore Life Q30. Now let's get over to Forbes. And the last story, the main story, guys, the one that I really wanted to do urgently because I'm getting sick and tired of people getting tricked and bamboozled, and I'm doing this with style today. So you know what? Okay. Forbes, how do I put this? You suck. Your website sucks, your authors suck, and most of all, your clickbait titles suck. Now, taking a look at the tech world, you kind of deserve this. You do. Listen, I do a thing called Casual Alert where I call out the artists, I call out everybody. I'm calling out the artists again, but I'm calling out Forbes. You guys for years have done nothing but repeat the same article, just tweak the title, make it somewhat sound like you confirmed something, and it's actually not. And what's amazing to me is I have these 2 articles I'm going to show you. The first one by Gordon Kelly, who I've already put on Casual Alert. He writes, Apple accidentally confirms iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro releases. Then he goes around and says, the next article, which literally is a day later, Apple's surprise iPhone 12 upgrade suddenly confirmed. Do you notice anything? Just because you tweak the title and you can't even spell. Literally, look, this is how he spells the title. Apple accident confirms new iPhone 12 Pro release. It's Apple's accident. Apple's accident confirms. There's a comma S in there. He couldn't even write the goddamn title right. Or maybe I just have a bad way of looking at it, and I probably am the one that's also bad at looking at it. But still, this is unbelievable. If you people actually take your literal time to read these pieces of shit, you will be fooled, you will be bamboozled, because there is nothing in this article that was confirmed by Apple. There was nothing confirmed by anybody except Gordon. That is the only person that confirmed anything. And what's amazing to me is that Forbes literally presses these things, and it's the same goddamn article every single year. Every single year, these prima donnas, especially this prima donna, releases these articles, and it's the same article. I don't understand how people can get fooled by this. And I'm not blaming the people, but I'm blaming Gordon, I'm blaming Forbes. You guys have utterly fooled the people, and I'm done with it. So let me tell you guys something right now. Forbes is not credible by any means. If you want to defend Forbes and you want to let people be fooled, go right ahead. Call me a moron, call me a jerk, call me anything you want. But the one thing you're not going to call me is fooled, because I will never report a Forbes article for as long as this channel's been up, and I will never do it, because not only are they not reliable, but they will never be credible. As a matter of fact, you know what, Forbes and Jordan? You know what happens when you fool people? You know what happens when you trick people into believing your arrogant lies and crap and repeated bullshit with clickbait? You know what happens? You don't get casual alert, you get actuality! Or, in Latin terms, mega casual alert! I swear guys, I'm not trying to lose my cool here, but when I see innocent, regular people get fooled by these people and are the reason that people get fooled, I am going to call you out. So let me tell you something, Forbes. If I see another article, and I promise you, I will do it in the next episode, in the next episode, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one,
and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. And the next day.
Hashtag Mr. Krabs. I will do it, and I will continue to call you out until you stop. And I'm gonna keep informing people. Actually, you know what? You don't even need to stop while I keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it so people do not fall for the garbage that you spill. So you know what? Ultimate casual alert. And that's it for today's episode of Technoid. Now guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Again, I apologize about my rant and losing my mind. But again, I want to save it for the end, just for fun. But again, if you're excited for the Soundcore Life Q30s, please check them out. Again, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you disliked the video, hit the dislike button. That helps circulate my videos either way. As always guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone, and peace!